guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're doing a second part on my diss track about Casey. And yeah, we're doing another one because my mic over here wasn't working last time. So let's start it again. When I say go, please press go. And without further ado, let's get into this. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro, oh sorry. Bro, you're a no-go, no one likes you, they're all a no-show. Oh, and that's right, you're a disgrace. I could write a whole horror story about your face. Also, you might want to pick up the pace before I smash you with the mace. You have a girl's name, and to beat you up, yeah, that's my aim. And I could do it in less than half an hour. Yeah, that would make you cower. You tried to kick me and you failed. Looks like to me that you failed. I punched you, then you damn wailed. Yeah, you're a baby in disguise, at least otherwise you just tell lies. Now go back to your corner and cry and eat your fries. If I were you, I'd live before I rhyme. You're fatter than Eric Cartman, at least I got a heart, man. You call me a dork, you're looking in a mirror. I think this room needs to be dimmer, cause I don't wanna see your demented face. Watch out, I'm coming in a heartbeat. Oh, but you're so big you probably just eat. Chew on them sweets on this old school beat. Then you could call it a treat, but your size says otherwise. Crying in your bed, eating pies. You never have seen the skies. Your mom tells you to go out and play, and you say, what, outside? You made my friend leave school, probably cause you're overdrawn. This may sound cruel, but you're a tool, just like a penny. You're two-faced and plenty annoying. No one wants you, so you blew that too. Choo, 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 is that all you do? You should live in a zoo. Boo-hoo, cry to your mama. Is she demented too? At least I'm smart. I could get a job. And you're working in a cart. Picking up your nose, probably picked your brain out. Actually, there's no doubt. But for now, peace out! So, if you enjoyed that, please leave a like and comment down below your favourite video, and subscribe if you're new around here and post that notification bell on. And until next time, bye!